This video will take us through the installation process of Light & Green's Harmony Recessed Downlights. Out of the box, we'll find the gypsum fixture trim. Aluminum IC-rated airtight housing. Patented elevator brackets that allow you to adjust the level of our light fixture after mounting. The LED modules are available in all standard color temperatures, dim to warm, and tunable white. All additional optics are field changeable. Flicker-free dimmable driver options are Triac ELV, 0 to 10, Dolly, and Lutron Ecosystem, down to 0.01% dimming. The tool provided is a tool for easy installation and hassle-free maintenance after installation. To begin, remove the female end of the clip from the light module. Attach it to one end of the driver with the red wire inserted where the black arrow is indicated. Next, place the driver into the housing using the metal clip to hold it in place. Punch out the conduit hole as necessary. Use a cable clamp as code requires. Twist the gypsum trim into place. Secure it using a handheld screwdriver. Do not use an electric screwdriver. The brackets are adjustable. To begin, lower the bracket to the lowest level and attach it to the gypsum trim using the screws provided. Do not use an electric screwdriver. Adjust the bracket to the thickness of the drywall. There are indicators for 5/8 and 1/2 inch drywall thickness. It is now ready to mount. Position the light fixture and secure it using the nails provided. Make the connection and use a cable clamp as code requires. After drywall is installed, use the elevator brackets to adjust the gypsum trim, making the drywall flush with the outer lip of the fixture. Secure the fixture into place using 2 screws on each side. Drill through the drywall into the bracket. Cover the aperture opening of the fixture. Tape the outer lip of the fixture to the drywall. Mud, sand, and paint. Remove the cover and using the tools provided, remove the inner ring of the fixture. Make the connection from the driver to the LED module. Feed the wire and LED module back through the opening and layer any desired lenses or diffusers. Screw the ring back into place until it's flush with the gypsum. There's extra room for lenses, but gravity will keep the LED module in place. We hope you enjoy your flangeless and seamless gypsum recessed downlight from Light & Green's Harmony Collection.